Because we're going to be using our fives today to help us figure out our multiplication facts, we're going to practice a little bit before we get started with today's lesson to make sure that you are ready to learn our new concept. Let's start by counting by fives. You can whisper with me or say it out loud depending on who else is in the room with you. You could also just move your lips along and not say anything. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. If we were using our count by fives to help us skip count to find 1 times 5, that means that we have one group of 5, or we skip count by 5 one time, so our answer would be 5. If our problem was 4 groups of 5, or 4 times 5, we would count by 5 4 times to find our answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We could also use our fingers and go 5, 10, 15, 20. Our answer is 20, or our product. If we were to do a multiplication equation where it was 5 times 2, like 5 groups of 2, of course we could count by 2 5 times, but remember, because of the turnaround rule, 5 times 2 also equals 2 times 5. So I could do 2 groups of 5, so 5, 10. So that would get me to 10. If I wanted to find out 5 times 7, again, I could count 5 groups of 7 and count by 7 5 times. I don't know about you guys, but I would much rather count 7 times 5 and do 7 groups of 5, because I can count by 5s a lot more easily than I can count by 7s. So now I'm going to count by 5 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to get me to 35. I could also use my fingers, so I could go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Our answer is 35. Our product is 35.